Hello folks! It's been a few days since my last video and I want to bring up something new. And maybe you have recognized this big box here. It's coming from Sweden. It's bringing some original parts. And I want to change out something. Let me show you. These are the Fenderflares being mounted from 2008 on the Sport and Executive series. And these are coming way more out than those Type A ones. Since 2002 until 2014 there had been 4 different types of Fenderflares. And this is Type C. On my 2005 model 2006, it's Type A. Yeah, this one had to be painted, but no, I don't want to take the original titanium gray. I'm trying something different. First, these ones are all interchangeable. You can change them out in the whole series, and I'll put the numbers from these 4 parts below for brand new ones. This part, I don't want the lace in titanium gray. I want to take some powder coat repair spray from Front Runner. The brand is not important. The idea is to bring this one in matte black, to have this association to newer year off-road cars with these huge plastic fenders standing out. And I want to try out what's the look of that. Why I'm doing this? Because I hope this part, what's wider, will protect my car a bit more against this mud and dirt spraying out from the tires. And because it looks cool. It makes the car wider, it makes the look a bit more aggressive, I hope. And maybe I could even fit some wider tires on it. Now it's 235. Maybe I could then fit 245s. But I'll check that out later, maybe in summer or next year. So that's the plan. And yeah, you'll get the part numbers. And I'll see you when I'm painting. Oh, forget about thumb stamping. Some of you will ask, what's the price for that? Well, all 4 parts and the about 20 blind rivets. These are Volvo special plastic with aluminium and steel bolt. Altogether 383 bucks, 29 euros. Is it worth that? Well, I hope so. So this is the look before. Those Fenderflares are Type A. Type B, the painted ones with the little wings, are from 2006 on. Type C are from 2008 as far as I read, and had been installed to the Sport and Executive version. And Type D, I think they are totally painted or so. Never seen them in original, but they are coming not out that wide as I would like to. Good morning, guys. So today's the day, the snow is gone, It's February by now, and I've had prepared everything to change out the fender flares. First thing I have to mention is I first laced the parts with front runner spray. It's a great product, but it looked like before just madness, and that looks like had been prepared to lace but not done it. That's looking stupid. So I took another product, and it's the Raptor spray. It's a coating for pickup beds. This is very rugged, and I think looks very cool. What I'll be doing now is lift it a bit up, grind out the old rivets, and yes, it's this flimsy little thing because it's got an angle transmission. Rip off the old plastic clips, these ones. The new fender flares come with it, and to get out the old rivets, I'll have a little punch and a hammer, just pushing them out. What else? Degreasing the latent part of the wheel housing to have a good connection to this tape stripes. Put in the new rivets. By the way, the Volvo rivets. Now I know why they are 70 cents a piece. They're very good. I did just the other side, and you see the pictures. Take the rivet tongue and put it in. And I'll speed that up for you so you don't have to sit here half an hour. Let's start. By the way, last week minus 15 degrees Celsius and snow. This week plus 15 degrees and sunshine. And on the back, Arne is mounting his new engine protection plates. He got a big package from Russia, from Rival, and we'll see that later.
So, I don't know if you're following Taylor Thompson or Ronnie Dahl, but they had issues with their roof racks being riveted to the top of the car by about 6 blind rivets. I don't know how this could take the weight of a roof rack, but Volvo's taking 4 and 5 rivets for one fender flare. I think I wouldn't rivet a roof rack on the top. Okay, that's another thing. How does it look like now? It's way wider now. Making the car a bit... Yeah, that looks good. A bit wider. And the next thing I'm planning is wider tires. Follow of me from Netherlands told me that he's got the 245s on it, and this will be the next plan. Maybe a little spacer, because yep, there is space now. Also did the front protector with the Raptor spray, and I cut it out the lower part of it because it was rattling against the hood when the engine was idling. And this is just a test for the look. But the important thing is this. And yes, even if the Volvo instruction manual said these won't fit to the cars before 2008, this is not true. They will fit. The problem was that the part that has to be laced, and the time when this color had been used, this is a Titan gray, it had been skipped in 2006. So it won't match because the color's not matching to this fender flare. But that's all. They will fit, and no, I didn't want to lace them in Titan grey. I wanted a bit difference. I like it. So if you want to change the fender flares at your Volvo, I put the parts numbers under the description, and you can order them